Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're looking at different layers of frosted glass. So what I'm going to do today is let's go ahead and we'll take this default cube and we're going to begin with this. So let's go with render EV to cycles and we'll go to materials right here. Let's go with principal BSDF and switch this out to glass BSDF. So we're going to start with 100% roughness right here, we're at 1.0. So we're going to go with G, just bring this across. And let's go ahead and we will go with Shift D, bring this one across, Shift D, bring this one across, bring this one across, and bring this one across, as many as you like. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with this end one right here, which is going to be essentially 1.0. So we'll call this material glass 1.0. And then for the second material right here, we're going to duplicate the material just at the side here with new material. And this one, we're going to go ahead and tone this down to 0.9, I believe. So let's go 0.9 on this one. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is assigned. So we should have a secondary material right here, which is glass 001. We're going to call this glass 0.9. And when we go to the render just at the top right here, you can see that it's lost a little bit of its roughness. I'm going to go ahead actually and pull this one down to 0. Should we do 0.8? Let's do 0.8. And then I'll change the title right here from 0.9 to 0.8. So this is 0.8 glass compared to 1.0. Let's go on to the second one right here and we'll make a new material. So let's go new material again. This one will go to glass 0.50. Sorry, not 0. We'll go to glass 0.5. 0.5. There we go. Right, okay, so on the roughness right here, we're going to go 0.5. And you can see that the glass is just that little bit more clearer. It's not quite too clear, but it's getting clearer. You can also see from the light refraction on the floor how clear these are now becoming. So now we've gone 5.0, so let's go with this one and we'll duplicate this layer again and we'll go for 4.0 or 0.4 even. Alright, so let's go to roughness, 0.4 on the roughness scale, and you can see that's a little bit more clearer than our latter cubes. Let's go to the end cube right here, and we're going to call this one at 0. So let's go with 0.2. Alright, so let's go with the roughness again, 0.2. And we've got a glass box that's a little bit more clearer. Now you'll notice this one's changed as well. So what I'm going to do is just go back again. So this one should be, because I've not added the additional material. Let's go ahead, duplicate the material, and then we were going to 0.2. And let's change that roughness to 0.2. Alright, so once we got to the last cube right here, we're just going to have this as 0. So let's go ahead and duplicate this out. Just put this to 0. Okay, so now we have our little glass cubes going on. You can see that these are now a variation of each other. You can see that these are a lot more clouded. These are a lot more see-through. I'm going to go ahead and add in another light actually. Let's go Shift D. So you guys can see it a little bit better. So you should have something like that. So this will be our frosted glass project. If you guys liked, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.